Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, the pure and mildly smooth fabric, very beautiful acid wash fabric it is. Here the combination of the saree is lavender shade and purple shade. We have the leaves alone given in a bright green color. It's very different and a beautiful floral saree with purple color border, pallu and blouse piece. An excellent combo, comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, beautiful digital printed tussar, acid wash beautiful fabric in a grey base here with the kalamkari peacocks and all over floral design prints, which is very pretty. Just two colors, one is grey and cream half white color are used here. The pallu and blouse is also in plain green. The saree is very pretty and simple, comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, beautiful fine fabric, and here we have a Madhubani pattern, digital prints in a pink base color with a combination of blue. You see the beautiful Madhubani design prints in the bottom as well as in the vertical part of the saree. The pallu and blouse piece are in light blue shade, which is in the border color. The saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very classy combination of cream and red here. Elegant floral design. The bottom of the saree along, the top half is completely plain with cream base, and you can see the wild floral design, which is very pretty coming on the bottom. And we have the red borders in both sides. The pallu as well as the blouse is here with borders, and blouse also the flowers are given, which you can use for patterning or the sleeve. The saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed design. Very beautiful cream with blue combination saree. The saree is plain cream with bottom alone we have the prints. Blue shade and grey shade are used for the printing. Top bottom both sides we have a very pretty blue color border. The same border color is given for the pallu and the blouse piece. An elegant saree, classy one, comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, a very beautiful floral pattern, digital printed on a classy cream color tussar here. Beautiful contrast floral design. The flowers are done using the shades of orange and brown color given for the leafy pattern. Totally contrast borders are given, which is bright yellow color. The same yellow is given for the pallu as well as the blouse piece. An excellent saree, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, a very beautiful patola concept printed on tussar in an excellent combination of blue and red, maroonish red color with the borders in both sides, and you can see the all over printed design, which is done on Kosambali design patola pattern. And we have the pallu and blouse in contrast red, maroonish. The saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, a very beautiful black saree here with the combination of red, pretty flowers all over the saree. Highlighted color combinations of pink and red are used all over the saree. It's a beautiful floral saree with border, pallu and blouse in beautiful shade of red. The saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, a cream base saree with a peach pink color combination border. All over the saree we have a beautiful bridal floral pattern. The shades of yellow and shades of pink and red are used for the flowers, and blue used for the leaves. It's very pretty, and the combination is also beautiful with pallu and blouse piece in the same border color. The saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printer. The kalamkari concept here, the combination of the saree is also very beautiful and vibrant, and cream with purple combo. The saree is cream with all over the pichwai kind floral water plants design printed in multiple colors, mainly in the shades of yellow, red and pink, and we have dark purple color, violetish purple, pallu and blouse piece and border. Saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, a very beautiful cream with red combination all over floral printed design saree. An excellent combination of bright red on cream. Floral designs is also very pretty with the borders, pallu and the blouse piece in a beautiful shade of red. The saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium digital printed, fine quality, finely acid washed, excellent saree in a cream base with a peach pink combination, a floral design all over the saree. You can see a very pretty floral pattern printed. Green color is used for the leaves and peach pink are used for the flowers. The bottom border, top border and the pallu blouse here are in same shade as in the peach pink combination. Excellent pastel shade saree, comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. Here we have a cream with grey combination, and here vertically two different colors are used. One is light green and one is grey. Both done in a very very pretty way. Vertically you can see the colors, and all over peacock and creepers pattern is printed. The border, the pallu and the blouse piece of the saree is in grey shade. Excellent saree, a classic collection, comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A cream with pink combination. A beautiful different flower design. In brown and pink, the flowers are done here. Beautiful combination. Bright combo too. Bottom border, top border, the pallu and the blouse piece are in beautiful shade of rani pink, a bright pink shade. Saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A beautiful shuttle classy color combination here. Light cream with mild tinge of green in it, and all over we have orange and red shades and green shades used for the floral design. We have a beautiful light green color borders. The same light green is given for the pallu and the blouse piece. Almost it's a light olive shade green, beautiful color combo. Classy saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very beautiful cream with purple combination saree here with a very different wild floral design prints. All over the saree you can see the purple flowers, and we also have a green light pista green color used for the leaves and the so and the borders, the pallu as well as the blouse is here with beautiful purple shade, and it is done on a batik concept printing. A different saree, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. Kalamkari concept digital prints done on a beautiful dark burgundy choco brown color saree with fully creepers and floral pattern prints in the saree, and we have a black blouse piece, border blouse piece as well as the pallu is in black, light elephant black, not a very dark black, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, soft acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. On it, digital printing is done on this particular sarees. Very elegant combination. Here we have a Rama green color saree with top and bottom. We have beautiful borders in pink. The pink here is bright magenta pink color, and we have Kalamkari kind concept in the printer version, and we have the pallu which is completely pink with beautiful pen Kalamkari design prints. A beautiful two different peacocks. The peacocks are very elegantly colored, and we have same pink color blouse piece. The combination of the saree is very different and unique. An exclusive collection. Digital printing comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality. A very beautiful digital printed sarees in a floral pattern done on boiled acid washed Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree with a combination of brown, light brown shade. The floral part is completely done using very elegant contrast colors. It's olive green base used for the flowers and the grey color used for the leafy part, and we have a very contrast light brown used for the borders. The same light brown is the pallu as well as the blouse piece here. Excellent saree. The combination is very different, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed in Kalamkari concept. A beautiful black saree with yellow borders here. The whole concept of the saree is pen Kalamkari design, floral type, creepers. The creepers are also done in yellow and red base. The pallu of the saree as well as the blouse piece is also in the border color yellow, which is completely contrast. It's a beautiful inkjet black and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very beautiful acid washed fabric. The premium finish, and you can see the very beautiful dark black color saree with just the borders on both sides. In bottom alone we have the pitchwai kamadhenus and the flowers. It's a very very elegant and beautiful combination. The pallu is fully with the pitchwai cows and the blouse piece is plain in black. Excellent saree, very very beautiful majestic color, comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very beautiful black saree here with the pen Kalamkari style printing, digitally done with beautiful peacocks and the creepers. The combination is also very beautiful. It's a dark inkjet black, and the combination here is blue. It's a beautiful shade of blue all over the saree, as well as the pallu blouse is here blue here. Excellent combination. The peacocks are highlighted with the yellow color, which is very very pretty, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very beautiful cream base color saree with pink combination and digital printed design. Saree have blue different shades of blue in prints, and all over the saree it's been done. And we have dark rani pink color pallu and blouse. It's a unique color combination and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printer with a beautiful kalamkari concept. The saree is finely processed and beautifully done. Here we have two different vertical colors. You can see both orange and pink accurately done. And we also have the digital printed floral design beautifully done on the saree, along with the peacocks and the creepers. And here the bottom borders, both side borders, pallu as well as the blouse is here in pink. And all over you can see a mild batik pattern on the pallu and the blouse piece. A very, very different and exclusive saree, comes with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, digital printed, beautiful floral design on a very, very elegant acid washed fine premium fabric. The saree here is a combination of grey and mild pink. Saree is beautiful grey shade with all over shades of pink, peachy pink are used here. The borders are in peach pink. Again the pallu and the blouse piece is in very, very elegant peach pink color. An excellent saree, and it comes with authentic silk.